Hey there mga my loves, Capricorn! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan, bago natin simulan ang reading ninyo mga babes, reminders muna tayo na hindi lahat kayo ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates, okay? By the way, my name is Yan. Thank you so much. Sana mag-stay kayo here with us. At sa returning subscribers, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta at pagtambay here. So yan ang content natin ngayon mga babes Capricorn, no? Is that we're gonna take a look at ano pa yung mga pwede or posibleng remaining events or mga kaganapan or mga ganap for you guys before tayo tumapak sa year 2024. So yun na nga, alamin natin, no? So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's get right into your reading. So spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can we have message for Capricorn bago mag-end? Ano ba yung pwede pa nilang i-expect or i-look forward bago mag-end ang year 2023? Can you please show us? Yeah, we're already nasa last month or December 2023 na ngayon. So, alamin pa natin. Spirits. Remaining events for my Capricorn people. Can you please show us before stepping in year 2024? Can you please show us? This is for Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay, so let's go ahead Capricorn at tingnan natin ano pa yung mga remaining possible events na pwede ninyong i-watch out. So, ilatag na muna natin lahat, but you've got here the stairway to light, no? Starlight ang sasabihin ko, no? Kasi whatever the case may be, look at those stars, see? Look at the stars, they're shining bright on you. It's like you're moving towards that light. Okay, stars are symbols of dreams, wishes, coming true. So, wow, Capricorn, not kung ano yan, pag-angat yan because there's that ladder going up. There's that ascension right here. So, you know, hindi kayo kinukuha ng liwanag dyan, no? Walang ganon. Iba yun hindi natin yun nakukuha for you guys. So, ang nakukuha natin dito for you, Capricorn, is that you're gonna step into this very wonderful yet miraculous. Pwedeng inisip ninyo na it's impossible, no? Na makukuha niyo tong wish na ito. But it will happen. Look at that. This is your first energy. And we're talking about before stepping in year 2024. So, wow. There's a wish being granted for you, Capricorn. And look at that. Pansinin mo yung mga parang mga halaman sa ilalim. Okay? Those are the symbols of stability. Those are the symbols of abundance and prosperity. Whatever wish is this will help you, okay, achieve here that success, that achievement, that whatever it is na pag-angat, no, ng buhay mo, no, at makatutulong din ito sa iyo. I do feel like sa yung physical, mental, emotional, yan, health right here. So, wow, I'm seeing you na mukhang meron ditong new chapter at maganda ito because it gives me this kind of message that it's something miraculous for you. So, yeah. I don't know why I'm picking up na maaring meron ditong kakagaling lang sa flu or ano to, kakagaling nyo lang sa trangkaso, yung trangkaso in Tagalog yung flu. Yan, so, tama ba? Alam niyo naman, no, lalo na yung mga returning subscribers, alam nilang kulang-kulang ako sa Tagalog. No? So, yan, no, paki-fill up nyo na lang. Kaya hindi mag-adjust. So, yung basta iba galing sa flu or iba siguro galing sa matinding sipon, no? Pasintabi sa mga kumakain, no? Yung mga sensitive dyan. At yun, no? Basta yung may recovery tayong nakukuha rito. Yung iba, pwedeng surgery or may naoperahan here. Okay, I'm seeing recovery, no, sa inyo guys. Healing is coming, so wow. Hindi yun nag-resonate sa lahat, no? Very specific lang yun. Okay, you do have here the page of coins. Maaring mahilig kayo sa Starbucks. Hindi pa ako endorser ng Starbucks, mga babes. No? Mahilig kayo sa coffee. Pwede mahilig kayo sa milk tea, no? Or parang recently, nag-treat kayo, mga babes, no, ng sarili ninyo sa isang milk tea or sa isang coffee shop. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing here na parang may something na uplifting ng mood. So, pwedeng ikaw to na pwedeng bagong trabaho to, no? At ikaw ay trinit mo yung sarili mo, no? Dahil makakuha ka ng bagong trabaho, no? Bago pumasok yung year 2024 or na-hired ka. I'm also getting that with the page of coins energy. May bagong simula rito for you guys na celebrate mo rito eh. Yan, no? Alam mo, hindi ito champagne, hindi ito yung champagne glass, pero I'm getting the word cheer here. Cheer, no? It's like this is you celebrating here something. Okay? And because this is your favorite drink, I don't know, for others, it could be your favorite food. Yan, no? It's like, treat mo yun, nilibre mo yung sarili mo, okay? Kasi, meron ditong magandang bagay na nangyari sa'yo. Yan, no? Maaring kumain ka ng paborito mong food or what, no? Yung iba, yung trabaho ninyo, maaring may kinalaman dito, no? Sa favorite ninyong food or drinks. Yan, no? Maaring yung company na nag-hire sa inyo is yung favorite nyo pala, no? Na milk tea house, no? Or coffee house. Yan, no? So, just take how this resonates with you guys. Pero with the page of coins energy, I can see excitement, no? Na parang ramdam mo na ito na talaga yung trabaho for you. Yung iba, pwedeng nagtayo kayo mismo ng restaurant or coffee house ninyo, no, na matatawag ninyong business na sa'yo talaga. So, wow, congratulations mga babes, no. I'm seeing you constructing here, no, making change in your money, coins and pentacles, no. Umpisa pa lamang ito. At ang ganda kasi hindi pa natatapos yung year 2023. Nag-uumpisa ka ng maganda. Slowly but steady. So, yan, no. Let's keep moving. Wow, you've got the Queen of Wands energy. Yeah, this is you. I'm getting you na nagiging confident ka sa ano man yan, no? Na ginagawa mo. Yung iba doesn't have to be na new job yan or new business, okay. Pero kung ano man yung ginagawa mo na may kinalaman sa pera, magdudulot yan sa'yo ng confidence. Okay? It's like this is you. You will definitely feel so connected to that. Queen of Wands is someone here who is so connected with his or her spirituality as well. Queen of Wands is someone here na alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Okay? Okay, alam niya yung desisyong mga gagawin niya. Okay? The Queen of Wands knows what he or she wants, and the Queen of Wands knows who she or he wants. Mapa-tao, mapa-business, mapa-trabaho, mapa-pera, mapa-desisyon. Alam ng Queen of Wands yan. At yan ang energy mo. Okay? Wala tayong gender dito. Yan ang energy mo kung saan, okay, nakikita kita natatapak sa ganyang klase ng energy at magpapatuloy ka hanggang year 2024 na abutin yung pangarap mo na yan, kaya meron dong pag-ascend. Wow! So, nakikita natin yan for you. Capricorn, yes! Isang bagong buhay ito for you guys, no? Lalo na kung ikaw to na pinagtaksilan ka, no? At ginawan ka ng hindi maganda noon, no? Lalo na, okay, kung konektado sa pera yon, Capricorn. Okay? Pero sa iba, doesn't have to be na konektado sa pera. Pero kung ikaw to na nasaktan ka, ano kasi yun? Kasi yung pinaka-message na nakuha natin eh. Okay? This reading is definitely high chance for you kung pinagtraidoran ka at nasaktan ka, may money involved. This is highly reading na pwedeng para sa'yo nga talaga ito. Pero para sa iba, no, in general, for you guys, no, nakikita ko rito na kung ikaw to na nasaktan ka before, like, yung feeling mo talaga, no, naramdaman mo na yung sukdulan na loneliness, no, tsaka yung pain, then this could be your reading, even though hindi yun involving money. Okay? There's new life for you guys. Yeah, Six of Coins energy. See? Nakikita ko nagaganda yung money mo here. Pag tumapak palalo, no, ang year 2024 for you guys, you can be able, no, to share it with other people. Okay? Alam mo yung feeling na parang you have more than enough money that you will need. 'Di ba? Maybe ikaw to na parang before, okay? Yung pera mo tamang sapat lang. Okay? Yung pangbayad ng mga utilities, bills, and other pa na mga loans or ano pang mga bayarin mo, no? Sapat lang yung pera mo and then parang hindi ka nabubuhayan ng loob. Whether you have business or whether you are working, it's like, ay, nakakapagod. Parang ganun, pagod ka na agad, 'di ba? Di pa nga nagsisimula yung araw, no? Kasi di ka nakakaipon. Pero here, I'm seeing you living here, okay? And moving towards, pwedeng aalis ka sa previous mong trabaho at lipat ka rito. Kasi I'm seeing others of you getting hired in this specific company that they are eyeing or pinasahan nila, no? Kasi pangarap nila yon. Or pwede rin naman na lilipat ka ng business kasi ito talaga, dito mo nakita yung sarili mo. So kung ano man yan, I'm seeing growth with your money and finances to the point na parang feeling mo wala ka nang magawa sa pera mo or sa money mo because you have more than enough. Yeah, taray, 'di ba? Like, you can be able to share it with other people. At ang maganda, mga babes, no, this holiday season, nakikita ko nag-uumpisa na ito for others of you. You may now share it with other people at alam mo ba na kapag shinare mo yan, no, the universe will bless you more. There's this light in here. Tingnan mo, yung light doon at light dito, dito yung tagusan niyan. So, ibig sabihin, talagang papunta ka na talaga, no? Doon sa wish coming true mo na talagang magbe-benefit ka rito ng bonggang-bongga, Capricorn. So, wow, ang ganda guys. No? With the Four of Swords energy, Queen of Wands, you know what I'm picking up from here? I'm seeing, okay, someone here which is a different energy. This person here, hindi ko nakukuha na younger siya sa'yo by age, pero ang mas nakukuha ko, no, nakakaramdam siya rito ng fear, ng takot, no, pero gusto niyang mag-email sa'yo, gusto niyang kumunik sa'yo sa social media yung nakukuha ko, no, pero hindi niya ito magawa-gawa sapagkat, okay, kinakabahan siya at natatakot sa'yo. Nakikita ko rito. Kung sino man siya, mga babes, no, may isip niya yan. Actually, naiisip na yan ng iba sa kanila ngayon. Basta ngayong December, may makakaisip sa inyo dyan na mag-message. And it looks like this person here is actually not okay, especially when it comes to his or her emotions. Nalulungkot siya na natatakot. Gusto niya magpadala ng mensahe sa'yo, pero yun nga, natatakot siya sa'yo. Baka may nagawa siyang kasalanan, no? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, whoever this individual is, doesn't have to be always romantic, no? Kung sino man siya, no, this person here is actually afraid of contacting you, pero gusto niya sana. Kaya kung kumontak man to sa inyo, no, expect nyo na mali-mali yung matype niya ng mga words kasi kinakabahan siya talaga. Yeah, and at the bottom of the deck for you, Capricorn, we have here the stars. You were talking about the star in your first, okay, first strong energy is the stairway to light. At kung papansin ninyo, I mentioned star kanina. So definitely, the universe, the planets, the stars, the quantum is aligning here. Everything in your favor, Capricorn. As you can see, this is a second confirmation right here that this wish is being granted and it will be granted right here like now for others of you. And yung iba, no, bago pumasok sa year 2024, see, look at you. You look so fierce, fully confident here. See, hindi ka natakot na harapin pa or makasalamuha or makitang muli no yung mga tao na nakasakit sa kasi matapang ka na ngayon. Like literally hindi ka na nila maaapektuhan ever. Capricorn. So, ang taray, na baka mahilig kayo sa backlist. Pero that is showing me, okay, na sino man yung makasalubong mo na tao mula sa past, lalo na yung nag-traitor sa'yo at nakasakit ng damdamin mo, involving money or ano pa man yan, no? Nakikita ko rito na wala ka ng mararamdaman na kahit na ano, na mabibigat na emosyon kasi parang itong bagay na 'to ay accepted mo na at wala na lang yun sa iyo. So yeah, Capricorn, 'to ang mga mensahe for you guys bago mag-end ang year 2023 at bago ka tumapak ng year 2024. So thank you so much. Just take how this resonates. Sarang Heya, love and light. Annyeong!